But actually online or in the one catalog I looked, it said don't get more than 2 or 3, you know, for a household, because you'll get plenty
of these.
Yeah, from having just a couple plants. Eventually they'll just start producing like crazy, I guess. I don't know.
Let me get this bad boy over here.
I could pick him. He's ready. Let's see how big. Oh, he is huge. Look at him. I don't want him to go bad over there.
Golly.
That's a big tomato.
God. That is huge. And that one's called what?
This is called Bloody Butcher. I had to get it for time.
Wow.
We'll see, it's starting to
That's awesome.
crack, so we need to eat it tomorrow. I'll be able to see. There isn't one. So, you know, it's a big yellow flower. It looks like a hibiscus. But then look at them, how they grow in there. Isn't they cool? You have to cut them up. And I have a red variety back there. See, the red,
I wish I did like them.
And they get.
Oh, I will kill these things on sight. I hate these beetles.
Oh, those Japanese beetles are terrible. I
hate them.
And feed them to the chickens. Here you go, chickens. Have a ball. I had one in my hair today.
Hey, buddies. She's like, get away from me.
Yeah, I wish one was blooming, because
wow.
it's like those red hibiscus, only about this big, but they're yellow with a red center. They're real pretty, like yellow with kind of a maroony red center. Yeah, look at the flowers closed up. See that, but the flowers come out and they're real pretty when they're open.
Here's one.
Yeah, that's it's already past.
These are bell peppers, right?
Yeah, yes. Maybe anchos, I think. I'm trying to remember what kind they were, like extras. I just threw them.
Awesome.
Yeah, but I wanted more okra. Last year I had bought 3. The rabbits ate one, so I only had 2 plants, and we'd get, you know, a few, put them in the fridge so we had enough to fry up. But when it's this hot and it's rained, even the long ones are still tender enough.
But this is like the ideal picking size?
Yeah, about 4 inches usually. Hey, you're not supposed to be in there. I don't know what it is. Chipmunks, because he's got the electric fence over here. You get over there. You're not supposed to be on that side.
What's up, Walter?
Walter.
Shot says no.
Shot's more lovable. Walter's friendly, but he's not as huggy. Although he's tired, he must be.
Melon.
It was down there at the bottom, and woo!
Holy cow!
Oh, that's his baby toy.
Yeah, that's his.
I was like, you guys have a dead bird.
Yeah, I know.
How huge is that?
That's a big bird.
Well, I haven't.
Scale. Put on the scale. See how much it weighs.
Opened yours yet, but can I tempt you?
What? That's all.
Why?